Bestie, did you practice that toe drill I showed you in the previous video? Okay, good, because today we're diving into the art of toe spins. And remember how I said in the beginning of this challenge that we're going to do things that are possible? Yeah, toe spins look impressive, but they're totally achievable with the right technique. So let's break it down. Toe spins are a stylish and fun way to show off your balance, control, and flow. The key to mastering them, it all starts with body positioning and practice. If you're just starting out, don't worry, I'll guide you step by step. Make sure that you're aware of your toe stops. This move is still achievable with toe stops, just be aware that you are going to be going up on your toes. I'm demonstrating this in my indoor skates today because I have on jam plugs. This gives me a little bit more room to play with as I'm trying to figure out how to balance on my toes. Okay, let's get into the movement. To get going, you're going to have one foot just slightly in front of the other and pay close attention to your weight. Your weight will be on what looks like your toes, which is actually the balls of your feet. This will give you a stable base to work with. You're going to shift your weight slightly forward so that you're balancing on the balls of your feet. Keep your knees soft and bent so that you stay stable and ready for the actual spin. Now comes the fun part, the spin. Use your core to initiate the movement. Twist your upper body slightly in the direction you want to spin, then let your hips follow. Keep your arms close to your body for balance. As you start spinning, focus on keeping your core tight and your gaze forward. Don't panic if you wobble. That's completely normal when you're starting out. Just make sure that you keep your upper body still. Short spins are okay at first. You'll build up speed and control over time. Toe spins aren't about perfection. They're about progress. Even the pros had to practice to get their rotation smooth. So celebrate the small wins like landing one clean rotation and keep building from there. You got it. If you're loving this tutorial, hit like, share it with the skate bestie, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks to level up your skating. See you on the skate floor, besties.